Hello guys, welcome back to Unstoppable Trading. In this video, we have to talk about the risk that we're looking at on the SPX and what should we do because the bond market did not have a sell-off with the S&P up so much in the past 3 days. And have a good day today on NVDA massive runner. I cut half. I'm still holding my positions for April and in June, 175 and 170 calls. Also, we need to look at what happened to Micron technology today and what made me load up more of the April 42 calls. And now Roku finally dying. Roku went down, I think 14% today. So for those of you still holding like the April puts, March puts, you should make a hell of a gain today. We'll be looking at Amazon at the end. So let's get started. On the SPX we go. So what happened today? I was expecting some kind of pullback, but there wasn't zero pullback. Instead, we just go back up, and I know eventually the direction will be up. And then today, guess what? We passed the 28.12. We went to 28.22, but we closed just shy above. I mean, not above. We closed right at the resistance line I drew. So what most likely to happen in the next few days, if we pass this, we will definitely see 28.50. So somewhere around right here, that should be the next resistance, which is incredible how the market went up so much in this week. So for me, I'm more favored on the downside before we go higher. So tomorrow and Friday, we'll be looking at a slight pullback to 2800. So a slight pullback to 2800. That's what I'll be looking at. And feel free to like and subscribe. I give very nice call outs if you just have some long data, because layout hits, and then we can see Roku hit, NVIDIA hit so many times, and this thing will run into earnings next week. So let's take a look at NVIDIA and what we should do right now. I know NVIDIA rejected the 170 level right here. So when something rejects a resistance, it tends to retest the downside. So where are we going to look at the downside? I'll be looking at like around 166, 164.5, like around this line right here. And then you'll go back higher. If it breaks below 165, 166, we'll be looking at 162. And that's the previous resistance right here, 162-ish. So with NVIDIA, when I see a dip opportunity, I'm going to buy more into my June positions. And let's talk about Micron technology. So with Micron, it is still above the previous support, which is right here. I added more mu this morning, and then it was almost green, but at the end it closed a bit lower, but that's okay, because I'm pretty positive that mu is going to beat the earning and the higher expectation, and this thing will go a lot higher to 45 and eventually 50 bucks on mu. And I'm expecting the broader market is going to turn to the upside. So with mu, this is still a buy to me. So buy at like at least 2 weeks out calls on mu. So just keep that in mind. The chip stocks are the buy right now. People are rotating money into chip stocks. The next one we want to look at is quickly on Roku. On Roku, guess what? Wow! Just look at this. This line drew a long time ago, and guess what? We are just at it, 60 bucks. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about nearly 2 weeks, it finally hit my targets. So yeah, like Roku, I'm done with this thing. This thing will probably go back to 55 bucks. You will definitely rebound a little bit, like this, and then we go down. So Roku, done with you. Great. Next one we'll be looking at is /ZB. Yes. So let's compare the SPX. So the SPX, how many days we went up? 1, 2, 3, 4, like literally massive, right? And our bond market still goes up. And then yesterday we have a little bit sell. Today it barely moved. And what happened today on SPX? We went up 28 points, and the bond market doesn't care. So this is some risk that I'm seeing right now. And if people pumping money into the equities, so where the money coming from? Are they pulling off on the bond, or they just doesn't matter? Doesn't make sense, right? So something must be fishy, and one of them must give in. So either the bond have a sell-off in the future, or we all come back down, which I'm more favoring to the SPX come back down because we are way overextended. And this is my outlook on the SPX. The next thing I'm looking at Amazon. I called out 1700 Amazon a few days ago, and on Amazon we hit 1700 today. So with Amazon, this is still a buy for me. Once it breach 1700 and stay above it, I think Amazon will have a lot higher chance to go to 1800, but not that fast. We'll be looking at Amazon around the I'm gonna say 1720-ish level first, and then eventually when the market turns up, this can go to 1800 on Amazon. Is Amazon a buy for me right now? Probably wait till next week when it has a little bit pullback. So on Amazon, I'm gonna say we have a pullback, and then we breached higher. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see what else we have. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.